Hello everybody, I'm going to make my first ever carrot cake.
How are you feeling?
A bit apprehensive, to be honest.
Okay, so let's take it step by step.
Okay, got the ingredients all ready to go. Eggs, carrot, orange bits and sugar flour. There we go. 8 ounces of margarine. Yay. To cream together the sugar, which I've weighed out previously, and the margarine. Here we go. Bom, bom, bom. And then goes the meat. The fat, if you like. Close this down.
Oh, no, that's fine.
Stop. There, stop now. It's that one there. Look. Don't do that at home. Don't do that. Wait until it's gone down. Creamy, creamy, creamy. So, now I have to add the eggs to the creamed mixture. Looking good.
That's fine.
Is it? Okay. Now we add the tablespoon of orange juice. There we go. Now we add the dry ingredients, which is the flour, the carrot, which is quite moist to be fair, and all these 5.8% of baking powder and orange zest. There.
And now just let it do its thing.
Do this thing. So what you've got to do now, well, beforehand, is preheat your oven to 170 degrees.
Yeah.
So we've got to grease the tin. I've got some non-stick parchment at the bottom, so I'm just going to grease the sides of the tin, finger, kitchen towel, and wow, seems to be quite a lot of. Is it? Yeah, well, it looks too much to me, but
To be fair, actually, I think maybe you need to spread it out between 2 tins.
no, you tell me. It's all gone terribly wrong. I think we need 2 tins, not 1. I think there's too much mixture for 1 cake.
Well, yeah, you normally put it in 2.
Well, we said that. It doesn't say that in there. It just says bake 107. It's like getting ingredients off Bake Off.
I thought you were doing it anyway. Yeah, so
So I've got to grease that now.
yes, and
Put some of that
put the
in
liner
there.
in there. Yeah.
Well, I've only got 1 liner.
It's not like you'd have one liner.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G.
Snoop Dogg! Right, greasing. Cut, Clive, cut. So, you grease 2 tins with your fat. You put some of the mixture,
Half.
half, traditionally, of the ow. There. Jamie, I think your job's safe. Die with a spatula. Use that one. Take some of this mixture out of here. Here.
Looks like coleslaw from up here.
It does. I make coleslaw cake. Hey. Best bit about this cooking lark. Raw cake mix. Who knew that was really nice? In the oven, 40 minutes, and then check them. If you are worried about the calorie content of this cake, as it's got carrots in it, it doesn't have any calories, so it's fine. That's really nice. Oh, good God.
And always remember to wash your hands.
Always wash your hands. Hey. Right, check the cake. Oh my God. Now, is that burnt?
That's good.
You need a thing. That's a long thing. What we do is we put it in here. If it comes away with no cake on it, it's done. Woo! It's done!
Yay!
That's lovely. Our first cake. Exciting. It's been raining quite a lot recently and we're all looking a bit dishevelled, aren't we? This pigeon's too fat to get on the bird table. So, you spatula around the edge, like this. Take out.
It looks brilliant.
There.
Chuffed to bits.
346 minutes later, much later.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
So, it's hours later and I'm going to go and ice my cake with me cream cheese icing. I have noticed you've got fat side and the thin side of the cake. So we've got fat side, thin side, fat side. It will come out even. Right, here we go. So here we go, this is the end result. We've enhanced the look with some good old Cadbury's flake. Well, it's not Cadbury's, it's crud. Anyway, here we go.
Good?
That's delicious.
Well done, Dad.
It's a mighty moist cake.